Karen, and today I will be presenting to you the Scale Model Superset. We will be unboxing and explaining all 120 pieces included in the superset. So, let's start with opening the box. When you first open your box, the first thing you will see are your proscenium stage pieces. There are 4 pieces which can easily be assembled with the provided screws. We'll show you how to do that later. You will also see your masking curtains. This is your back curtain, as well as 4 legs. You will also see your 3/4 inch scale grid with your battens inside. The battens will hang across the top of the proscenium and can be used to hang your lights, scenery, and your back curtain. The masking legs are hung with smaller battens that are located in another box. So, all of your individual pieces come in individual boxes. Each box has a label telling you what's inside of them. So, let's start with our platforms, ramps, and steps. These are your 4x4 platforms. There are 2 different sizes. There are the 6-inch and the 1-foot. And there are 2 of each inside the box. Next, we have our 4-foot ramps and fireplaces. Once again, there are 2 of each. So here you have your fireplaces and your ramps. Next, we have our step units and triangle platforms. So in our step units, we have 2 different sizes. There are your 2-foot steps, and then your 4-foot steps. Then in the triangle platforms, we have 2 of each size. There are your 2-foot triangles, 3-foot triangles, and your 4-foot triangles. And then last but not least, we have our 4x8 platforms. Once again, there are 2 of each size. There is the 1-foot and the 6-inch. Next, we have our stage cubes, 1x1 platforms, and pylons. So, there are 8 16x16-inch stage cubes. And then there are also 8 16x32-inch double cubes, as well as 2 cube extenders, which can be used to create a nice little table or bench or anything like that. Then we have 8 1x1 platforms, which are really great for building up your other platforms to create levels. Then we also have your pylons. We have 2 of each size. That would be your 4-foots, the 6-foots, and the 8-foots. Now let's look at your flats and doors. In your set, you will have 1 box that contains your bifolds and trifold flats. Bifolds are 2 flats that are hinged together, and trifolds are 3 flats that are hinged together. The flats are hinged so that you can position them in any way that you would like. Next, we have our Hollywood flats. We have 3 different sizes. We have our 4x10, our 3x10, and the 2x10. There are 4 of each size within your superset. Now in our doors, we have 1 left door and 1 right door in each set. The difference can be seen in the position of the doorknobs. We also have 1 French door and 2 window units. Now, your Hollywood flats as well as your doors and windows all stand up using magnetic jacks, which can be found in this box. Both the jack as well as the door or the flat have magnets on the back of them in order to make it stand up. Next, we have our columns. Each set contains 6 8-foot columns and 4 10-foot columns. Now remember, you can always buy more of any of our pieces on our website. We also have our character stands. Each set contains 6 character stands. And what you do is you take your character stand and you print out a cute little character that you stick inside. And it's super great for planning out your actor paths, entrances, exits, and just overall spacing in general. Our last box contains your LED lights, leg battens, and stage screws. Each superset comes with 12 LED lights and their clips. The clips attach to the battens that go across your proscenium, and the lights magnetically attach to the clips in order to allow you to position them however you want on the stage. The lights are easily turned on by twisting the base at the bottom of the light. Next, we have our leg battens. These attach to the top of your proscenium and allow you to hang your masking legs. And finally, we have your stage screws. These can be used to put your proscenium stage pieces together, which we will show you how to do in our next video. So there you have it, all 120 pieces of the tabletop Scenic Design Scale Model Superset. The superset allows you to brainstorm and present your design ideas in a convenient, versatile form. Hi, I'm Lindsay Heron, and today I'm going to show you how to put together your proscenium stage from Tabletop Scenic Design. Your proscenium stage will come in 4 pieces: your front proscenium wall, your back wall, and your 2 side pieces. The side pieces have been pre-drilled in order for easy assembly. You will also be given a little box of screws. The only thing you need is a handheld Phillips head screwdriver. You do not want to use a drill because you don't want to risk either stripping your screws or splitting your wood. So a handheld screwdriver is all you need. We're going to start with putting the back and side pieces together. So what you want to do is make sure that you get your pieces lined up nicely together. And then you want to start your screws and then finish them with your screwdriver. You want to make sure not to over tighten your screws because once again you could risk stripping your screws. And since it's pre-drilled, it shouldn't take too much force. Just a reminder that the proscenium stage pieces can be purchased as their own individual kit, but they also are included in the superset. The proscenium stage set comes with your proscenium stage as well as battens, curtains, and LED lights. So now we are on our last set of screws. As you can see, the proscenium wall fits right on top of the side piece. And once again, we're going to start our screws. Just a reminder, whenever you're putting your side pieces on, you want to make sure that you have your pre-drilled hold side facing out in order to sink your screw heads. And there we go. Our proscenium stage is assembled. Now we're going to move on to setting up our masking curtains and our lights. Now let's hang our lights and curtains. Each set comes with 5 battens. These attach at the top of your stage. The battens are used to hang your lights as well as any scenery pieces you may create, such as a drop. This also allows you to position your battens in any way that you would like. Now your last batten is used to hang your back curtain. The back curtain has a pocket at the top which allows you to run the batten through. This also is what creates the gathers at the top of the curtain. So now we're going to place our curtain inside our stage and attach it at the top. Then adjust the gathers as you need. Now let's look at our legs. Each set comes with 4 legs and 4 leg battens. The leg battens are located in the box with your LED lights. The legs also have a pocket at the top which you run the batten through and then hook the curtain underneath. Then simply hang it from your stage. The great thing about having two sets of legs is it allows you to plan out your actors' entrances and exits. Now that we have all of our curtains hung, let's look at our lights. Each set comes with 12 lights and 12 clips. What you want to do is attach your clip to your batten first, and then, using the magnetic base on the bottom of the light, attach it to the clip. This allows you to position the light however you need. The LED lights are a great tool to teach about lighting design, but also to help a scenery designer figure out how lighting will affect their set. And as you can see, 12 lights are enough to fill your space, but you can always purchase additional lights on our website. And there you have it, our fully built stage equipped with masking curtains and LED lights.